In this video, I show you how to create folders, upload files, and share content in Dropbox. Start by logging into Dropbox and going to your home page. Click the plus create button at the top, then select folder. Give your folder a name and click create. Now you have a new organized space. To upload a file, open your folder and click upload at the top. Choose files for individual items or folder for entire folders. Select the items from your computer and click open. Dropbox will securely upload them to your folder. To share a file or folder, hover over it and click the share icon. You can enter emails to share directly, add a personal message, and choose permissions, edit or view only. Alternatively, click copy link to generate a shareable link for anyone, even without a Dropbox account. And that's it. You now know how to create folders, upload files, and share content in Dropbox effortlessly.